So now that you have all those PNG designs in your folder under the PNG folder, you are going to put them onto Google Slides. So first go into your Drive, hit New, and open a brand new Google Slide document. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick a theme. Everybody is going to pick the theme Simple Light because we're going to change that anyway. So click off of Themes because you're going to be going in to add in your own designs. So you go into View, and you go into Master. You are making a master slide deck that anybody can use. So you're going to be clicking on the first one that's Master because we're going to put the basic design and the basic font that will go on all of your layouts through all of the designs. So just click with 2 fingers to change the background. And instead of changing the background to a color, this is where you're finding all your PNG designs. Like I'm going to look in my Google Drive and I'm going to find the folder that has my Google Slides in it. And I open that up and I need to go into my PNG designs. So I know my first one looks like this. You should have called it design 1, 2, 3. So I pick my first one and I select that and enter that. So what's going to happen is all of them are going to look like this to start, which is fine. So the biggest thing on the master is to do a couple of things. One is rename it. So come up here to rename it. I think I'm going to call mine Pink Brick because I have pink bricks. In fact, I'll call Pink Bricks. So think of a master name that is one where it kind of reflects what the design is and makes it a little unique. And one thing I want to notice is sometimes these first words that come up, the font isn't what I would choose and the color doesn't work with the design. But until you get the design on there, you don't know that the color doesn't work best with it. First, I definitely don't want to find a font that's too loopy, too many curves and circles and curly cues. Something kind of simple. I do want to have it bold and maybe I have it a little bigger. I'm going to hit it into 30. Here's where you can decide if you think something like it being in different colors work. I'm not sure if black works on my design. So I'm going to go up to text color. I'm going to try kind of one less than white. I'm going to try a light gray. This seems to show up better on my design. So I'm going to move this down, create this a little smaller. And all of these that you see here, we're going to change them all at the same time. And the way to do that is you make a little crisscross on the edge of the shape and you click that. Everything inside will change. All of these little first level, second level, third, that's just what people choose when they do the design. Doesn't actually mean that all of those will show up, but if people are adding in the design, this is how it will look. So I did before choose my Brie Serif. I'm going to choose that again, and I'm going to go into the color again, and I'm going to go a couple darker than the gray I have and see how that looks. And it looks pretty good, and I think will show up nice. On certain designs, you'll be able to put sort of a background to help. So this is the very first one, the master. The master has your basic design that you started with, design 1, and the font is going to be the same for all your layouts. That's really the best look when you have the slides is have the same font on every layout. So start with that, and next we're going to change these layouts to the next PNG designs that you have in your folder.